In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account of Amazon. If you've not signed up for Amazon yet, then stick with me till the end because I'm exactly going to show you the process that you need. To create your account of Amazon, open up your web browser and search for amazon.com. Once you do, you'll land on the official website of Amazon. Now to create your account, just tap on the sign in option that you see on the top and make sure that you select the create account option instead of the sign in option. Tap on it and you'll need to fill in the details. Type in your first name and your last name, and in the second box either type in the password or your email address. Lastly, you'll need to create a password. Make sure your password is at least 6 characters long. If you want to reveal this password, you can tap on the show password option. Once you filled in all these 3 boxes, tap on verify email and complete this puzzle verification. Now a verification code will be sent to the email address that you just entered. You'll need to type in the code and then tap on verify. Once the verification is complete, you'll need to enter in your mobile number. Once you type in your mobile number, you'll be successfully signed up for Amazon and you'll successfully create your Amazon account. So that was the video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.